Ikaw ba yung taong may plano? May goals, may gustong marating sa buhay, pero ikaw din yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi mo pa nararating or hindi mo pa nagagawa yung gusto mong mangyari. So, story time. So, I will make this video as short as possible, but listen kasi baka makarelate ka dito and I want to help you out. Hi, my name is Jem, and just like you, I got stuck too. I'm a former doom scroller. I bought a lot of books way back in 2022, and those books are highly recommended by those successful business owners out there. So I bought 5 books. I told myself na I will read this book and I will build the life I want. 25 years old me, and I know already what I want in life. Ayoko nang mag-work ako habang buhay, gusto ko maaga ako magre-retire. Sobrang diligent ko way back 2022. But the moment I opened Atomic Habits, ilang minutes pa lang, maya-maya hawak ko na yung phone ko. Sobrang bilis kong ma-distract. Umilaw lang yung phone ko. Hahawakan ko na siya agad, i-check ko na agad kung ano yun. Hanggang sa hindi ko na namamalayan na 2 to 3 hours na akong nag-i-scroll. Hanggang sa isasara ko na lang yung libro, tapos sasabihin ko, bukas na lang ulit. Hanggang sa tuloy-tuloy na. Everyday ganun at ganun yung nangyayari. Like ako lang ba to? Yung alam mo naman talaga kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari sa life mo, pero hindi ka aware na ikaw na rin pala yung nagiging bottleneck sa sarili mo. Then one morning, I don't even remember which day. I was lying in bed, phone in my hand, I just stopped. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. I just look at the ceiling and thought na, wait, I am 30. 5 years na. Anong meron ako? Wala. Wala akong na-build. Wala akong natapos na libro. Wala akong ipon. No version of the life I told my 20-year-old self. Just my phone and Facebook notifications. And that's where I started. So here are the things I did that might help you. Number 1, sit with yourself. Remove your phone away from you. Like seriously, kung kaya mong patayin yung wifi, patayin mo. Kung kaya mong iwanan muna siya sa bedroom, ilagay mo sa ilalim ng unan, gawin mo. Just you and your inner self. And then write it down on a piece of paper. Like seriously, ask yourself, hanggang dito na lang ba ako? Ano talaga yung gusto ko? Ano talaga yung gusto kong mangyari? Write what you want in life and what you want to become. Number 2, specify what you can do now that can contribute to your future self or to the future life that you want. Ako, ang sinulat ko, build myself, learn from other people, watch podcasts, and read books. Number 3, apply the lessons I am learning every day, little by little. Huwag isang bagsakan kasi it can lead to frustrations. Kasi pag na-frustrate na naman tayo, sana naman ang bagsak. Wala na, magsa-self-sabotage ka naman hanggang sa wala na naman tayong magagawa. So, little by little, do it. Do something. So, yung Atomic Habits, natapos ko na siya recently, hindi yun isang bagsakan, guys. I started 1 to 2 pages a day. Kasi, binibreak ko pa lang naman yung cycle eh. Binibreak ko pa lang yung mga bad habits ko. So, little by little, I started 1 to 2 pages a day. Hanggang sa unti-unti ko nang na-realize na, ay, ang ganda pala ng book. So, naging 3 to 5 pages a day na, and sometimes 1 chapter na, hanggang sa natapos ko na siya. Hanggang sa nakita ko how good and powerful yung book, and sobrang effective niya. So, little by little, ina-apply ko yung mga natutunan ko from Atomic Habits. And now, nasa second book na ako, Rich Dad Poor Dad. And of course, ang pinakamahalaga is yung application ng natututunan mo dun sa book or dun sa ginagawa mo. Again, little by little. Matagal, yes. But what important is, may natututunan ka at may nagagawa ka na. So, umuusad ka na little by little. So, yun lang. I hope may natutunan ka. You can follow me if you want more. And share this with someone as well. Also, read my description kasi I have something for you there. So, thank you!